Welcome back, everyone. We are now going to continue with our journey. Finally, Exchange was installed successfully in the last lab. Now we are in Lab 8. In Lab 8, it's very simple. It's just creating mailboxes for two users. And we basically were going to use two methods. One through the administration panel, ECP, and the other through the management shell, EMS. So let's start first by opening our Google Chrome. And of course, after the installation is complete with Exchange, I recommend you do another update check and to restart the PC again. Okay, both are recommended. So after you open Google Chrome, let's go to localhost/ECP and press enter. Then we are going to log in with administrator. Of course, make sure to include the domain, KTIC in this case. How to know the domain? You can go to Server Manager and then to Local Server. And from Local Server, just copy the domain name from here until the dot. You don't need anything. Dot and after dot, it's not required. And let's log in using our password, ktic@123.com as usual. After you sign in, I think it's signing me into UA for some reason, but let's just double check. It will ask you for time zone. In this case, it's Kuwait, UTC +3. Yes, it will take us to the administration panel. You can see in the administration panel, of course, all of these, we went through them during the booklet and during our studies, but as for the labs, we are going to focus on certain features only. Okay, so adding a new user mailbox is from the recipients page and then mailboxes tab. We click on the plus button and add. I'm going to name him user1 actually. He's a new user. Username user1. Initials, I don't care. Last name 1, for example. We don't care that much about the details. Scroll down. Login name is important. Make sure it is user1. Then ktic@123.com as usual, our password. ktic@123.com. And click on save. This will add the first mailbox. The second mailbox, we are going to do it through the Exchange Management Shell. We just need to open Exchange Management Shell, go to the lab file, and just all you need to do is type new dash mailbox. New dash mailbox. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Sometimes it might take a second. Okay, new dash mailbox. It will ask us for the name. I'll call it user2. Enter password ktic@123.com. Enter user principal name, again user2 at ktic.local. Enter, and this is how we create a mailbox using Exchange Management Shell. Of course, you can type in the entire command as mentioned in the lab, or you can do it this way, whatever is suitable. And you can see the details here. How to make sure it's created, all we need to do is refresh. And if I remember correctly, that's it for this lab actually. It's just in the end, you need to have 3 users, the administrator, user1, and user2. That's it. Thank you. And we are going, of course, this is one of the important labs that you need to know how to do with your eyes closed, okay? Because it's going to come in the final, okay? So see you in the next lab.